Hello everybody, it's Ava, and today we are back with another slime video. So let's get to it. Okay, so we will be playing with slime today. Let me get something to hold my... You guys! So you guys see me. Sorry, the pumpkin's kind of in the way because that's what I'm holding you guys. So here's my slime. And guys, you know, lotion gets slime. Lotion gets slime. I think stretchy. I have a mix bowl. I use every container. And here it is. So let's get mixing. So here, so I poke some in there. Poke some in there. Then I might, is there anything in the cup? Oh, here we go. I'll lean it on here. There's a lot of lotion on it. And then I pour some lotion. I put my slime into my mixing bowl. See? Pour some lotion. Just a little. You don't want too much because then it'll get mad slime. And then you guys see it. You mix it. So you just touch it and move it around. It'll get sticky. Well, not sticky, but like weird, feel weird and soft and weird. You guys might hear the TV, so yeah, and it's like.
Being in a band used to be one of my dreams. That and finding a way to make cats talk.
See, now you have to take it out of the container and start squeezing it to get most of the lotion and get oxygen out of it. So yeah. So then I'll keep mixing it, but we're gonna have to end this video. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, touch that like button. Smash the like button and like and subscribe and tell me what you want me to do. I'll see you guys